This is a brand new 2025 GE window AC unit. This unit is running. This unit was built on December 2024. It's an early built unit. $5,000 BTUs. So the model number is Sorry about that. The model number is AWFS05BWL2, and the serial number is ZZ052161F, and it was made in China. The compressor is thermally protected. Like I said, this unit was built on December 2024. .60 amperes, 115 volts, 440 watts. I don't know what HZ stands for. If you want to register, click on the QR code. I will have a video of it starting it up, if I get a chance. Here's the warning message. I don't know if you can see that well, but there's the warning message. This thing is installed in my room. Like I said in the previous video today, my AC system wasn't blowing cold air at all. And the outdoor unit called a Straight Cool was not blowing hot air at all. So like I said before, it tells me that the compressor, let me turn this down. So like I said before, it tells me that the compressor doesn't work. Here's the temperature. This is a really nice unit. Oh, and there's the outside. Probably can't see the fan motor. Well, probably can't see the fan plates. But yeah. Oh, to take the filter off? Here it is. In case if you want to clean it. Oh, and the CSA file number is 600-744. Where's the train? GE Appliances Park. GE Appliances. Appliance Park. Louisville, Kentucky. 40225. And there's GE's website. GEappliances.com. And there's their phone number. 1-800-GE-CARES. There you go. 2025 GE 5000 BTU window AC unit.